Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Abrar Basir Qasmi and you are watching the Voice of Peace channel. Dear viewers, today we are going to listen the translation of Surah An-Nas and its tafsir. It is commonly experienced and observed that many people in the Salah individually are reciting the shortest surah of the Quran, but they are unable to realize the translation and meaning. First of all, let's correct the pronunciation of Surah An-Nas after the translation and tafsir. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. The translation is like this. Say, I seek refuge, protection with the Lord of mankind, Malikin Nas, the King of mankind, Ilahin Nas, the God of mankind, Min Sharril Waswasil Khannas, from the evil of the whisperers, Alladhi Yuwaswisu fi Sudurin Nas, the one who whispers in the chest of people, Minal Jinnati wan Nas, whether from jinns and from mankind. Dear viewers, this is the last surah of the Holy Quran, means it is the 114 number of the surah. This surah and Suratul Falaq is called Mu'awwazatain. Mu'awwazatain means from that the protection of Allah is sought from these two surah. This surah and Suratul Falaq were revealed all together. Both surah revealed to teach Prophet ﷺ and his companions to seek Allah's protection from the unseen actions of sorcerers, devils and hostile human beings. The background of revelation, according to the Sahih Ahadith and reports, is that in Medina, some Jews in jealousy of the Prophet ﷺ cast a magical spell on Prophet ﷺ, and Prophet suffered from some disease. On that occasion, both surah directed to recite to Prophet ﷺ, and Prophet ﷺ freed from the influence of the magic. Prophet ﷺ used to recite these two surah, Suratul Nas and Suratul Falaq, Mu'awwazatain, every night before going to sleep. These two surah are best protection from the devils. According to the Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha narration, when Prophet ﷺ was suffering from an ailment, Prophet ﷺ recite Al-Mu'awwazatain, Suratul Falaq and Suratul Nas. And when Prophet ﷺ used to have a severe pain, Prophet ﷺ used to recite and blow on his hand on the frontier part of the body. First three verses of this surah are used three attributes of Allah Almighty. The first verse, Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, say, I seek refuge from the Lord of mankind. The Allah is the Lord and Lord of everything. He is the creator, He is the cherisher. And the second verse is Malikin Nas. Malik means the king. He is the king of kings and He is the king of everything. He is the king of universe. And Ilah, third, Ilahin Nas. Ilahin Nas, the God of everything. Ilah means who is worthy to be worshipped. And the best way to worship is Salah. So, we are worshipping to Allah Almighty. All these three verses and three attributes of Allah in the first three verses tells that all things created by Allah, all things owned by Allah, all things are controlled by Allah Almighty. The fourth ayah starts, Min sharril waswasil khannas. The protection from which thing? From waswas. Who is waswas? Whispers, that is shaitan and devils. According to the hadith, shaitan is assigned to every children of Adam, who beautifies the wicked things, confusions, doubts and mischiefs in the hearts of the mankind. Who is Khannas? Khannas is also one of the quality of evil and shaitan. A believer, remember Allah Almighty, shaitan does not control over him. But when a person misses and forgets Allah's remembrance, he does not remember Allah Almighty. Shaitan comes and whispers doubts, confusion, mischiefs and wicked sin in his heart. That is mentioned, we have to ask and seek protection from the waswas al-khannas, from the whisperers and from that who withdraws himself. When a person remembers Allah, the shaitan withdraws himself from the chest and from the believers. And the last verse, that is min al-jinnati wan nas. Shaitan had many helpers from the human being and jinns. Even human being also can cast evil thoughts, confusions, mistakes, mischiefs in the hearts of the mankind. From in the light of Surah An-Nas, we have to seek protection from the evil of the human being too. One should beware of such kind of the wrongdoers and who are whispering the doubts and the thoughts in the hearts of the mankind. One should beware of such people and seek refuge, protection from Allah Almighty. From us, nutshell, this surah is called Mu'awwidhatayn, and Prophet ﷺ and his companion used to recite for the protection of the shaitan and devils. And shaitan always try to put doubts, confusions and misguidance in the heart of the mankind. So we have to seek refuge and protection from Allah Almighty. And this can be jinns and from the mankind. May Allah save us from the misguidance and whispering of the devil and shaitan. This session will continue till the last 10 shortest surah of the Holy Quran. So to get the updates, please subscribe, like and comment. And what do you want? Please share your comments so that I will upload the videos accordingly. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi